You really mean it's gonna be okay for us?
Not us.
Sweetheart.
It's gonna be okay. For me.
Don't! You can't kill me. I'm your wife.
I'm sorry.
You're motive unstable, you're like an unwinding cable cord. Listening for voices, but it's the choices that make us who we are. Go your own way, even seasons have changed, just burn those new leaves over. So self-absorbed, you seem to ignore the prayers that have already come.
How about I hold the map?
Hey, slow down.
Should have come out on 82 by now.
You're lost.
No, I'm not lost. Oh, great.
What?
It's a cop.
Slow down.
Jack,
What?
slow down.
Look, I'm trying. What the hell was that about?
You were speeding. He wanted you to pull over. You're lucky he didn't get a ticket.
Fine.
Can we please just listen to the radio?
You don't want to listen to your wife's greatest hits? Didn't you see the wreck?
No.
What is wrong with you? You're driving like a maniac. What, you can't see the cones?
Please be quiet!
Don't you dare tell me to be quiet.
I'm so sorry, officer. I didn't even see these cones here.
I need to see your license.
I was changing the radio and it broke down and...
He said I need to see your license right now.
Yes, sir.
I hope nobody was hurt, officer.
What's your name?
Stephanie Singleton.
What are you, hitched a ride with him?
No, we're married.
Where are you going?
Montgomery.
Montgomery.
Mm-hmm.
Well, You're on the wrong road to Montgomery.
We made an appointment with the marriage counselor, and Jack got lost on purpose.
Actually, if you could just tell me the quickest way back to the interstate, I'd really appreciate that, officer.
Yeah. Well, there is a quicker way.
Weren't you just Miss Smiley back there?
I was trying to save us a ticket, Jack.
Well, then here's our chance to save ourselves $400. So what do you think?
That's the way back to the interstate?
Yep, that's what he said. First left at the top of the hill. Unless you're dying to make our appointment.
Let's go.
Slow down.
Why don't you just call and cancel the session, okay?
Great, no reception.
Front tire's blown. Close it back.
We don't have a spare?
No, I don't have two.
What did we hit?
Looks like some scrap metal fell off an old farm truck. I don't think we're the only lucky ones either. There's no reception. Hello? Hey, is anyone there? Maybe the driver went for a tow truck. I can't find this road on the map anywhere.
Maybe we should just walk back to that cop.
In the rain?
Jack, we can't just stay here.
Fine. You stay here, and I'll go for help. Don't blame me if you get wet.
Shut up. This was a bad idea. We never should have gotten off the highway.
Can you just drop it?
I gave up a paying gig for this.
Oh yeah, $50 a split with the band and free beer.
passing this?
Looks like some kind of bed and breakfast.
No cars. That's weird.
Well, all we need is a phone. Hello? Hello? It's today's date. Guess we're not the only ones that are here.
Hey, you guys management?
Oh, no. We were just looking for a phone. You must be Randy and Leslie, right?
Guilty as charged.
Oh, hey, how's it going? I'm Jack Singleton.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. Hey, how are you? This is, Stephanie. I mean, she's...
His adoring wife.
So you guys checking in?
Oh, Randy, don't be silly. How much vacation here?
No, this place isn't without its little, cornbread charm.
Randy
What?
buys motels.
Yeah, it's mom and pop places. Fix them up.
Jack hit something in the road.
A bunch of farm parts?
Wait, you guys were driving the Beamer then?
Yeah.
You left your lights on.
Do you guys know who runs this place? Because I haven't seen anyone.
Yeah, well, the staff must have stepped out because there's no one around. But check this out. It's like a museum. Dining room is set for 4.
Check out the chandelier.
It's kind of like an Agatha Christie novel, huh?
Don't all the people in her books wind up dead?
I think the generator blew. Come on, Jack. You go stay put. Let's go see what happened. Come on, Jack.
You okay?
Not really.
Come on, Jack. Well, here's one.
Hey, did you hear that?
It's house noise. Here, give me a hand.
Yeah.
There's one over there. Light it up. You spook easy, man.
Hello?
What do you two do?
Jack's a writer. Thrillers he's signed and published. I'm a singer.
Really? Have I heard any of your...
Not yet.
I'm a grad student at Auburn. Psychology.
Come on, Jack. Look what I found.
Oh, my hero.
You're pretty.
Sorry, ma'am. There was no one at the front desk.
Name's Betty. Just Betty. And this is our place. That's my son, Pete. And my steward is down fixing the fuse. Well, there we go. We don't get many guests this time of year. Rain's too much for them. Y'all check in at the register.
Yes, ma'am, we did.
$20 a night. Per person. It's off-season rates.
That include food?
We got enough to go around. We do. But you gotta clean up. Only pigs. Eating their own muck. So scrub yourselves up. One bathroom's in the hall. The other's upstairs.
Actually, we're not staying. We just need the use of your phone. Our tires were slashed, and we want to call a tow truck.
Tires slashed. You can't be serious. Oh, Pete. Pete. Show this lovely lady to Marbell. 25 cents for locals. But I can tell you, sure as sunrise, ain't no tow trucks coming here tonight. So y'all better wash up. You look clean enough. Give me a helping hand in the kitchen, sweetie.
Oh,
I don't bite.
Right.
There's no way we're staying for dinner.
Okay. Hey, Pete, listen, do you have, like, a list of garages or a phone book that I could use? No.
This place gives me the creeps.
It's okay. At least we're not alone.
Randy and Leslie. He's full of it and she's nosy. You notice how she keeps looking at us like we're specimens under glass?
No, I didn't notice.
Well, she certainly noticed you.
Hey, Peter, you sure this thing works? Because there's no tone.
Sometimes it do, sometimes it don't. When it do, you get credit.
I'm telling you, Jack, there's something off about these people.
What are you talking about? The old lady's fine. I mean, sure, she's a bit out there, but still, she's giving us a place for the night.
Can't believe you got us into this mess.
Oh, so now blown tires are officially my fault?
We should have gone on to Montgomery.
Yeah, well, you didn't want to.
Because you didn't want to.
Hey, you know what? I'm tired and I'm hungry, okay?
I hate you, Jack.
Fine, hate me.
Quite a temptation, aren't you, sweetie? Shall we?
thanks. Gotta watch my figure.
But don't you be silly. Boy, you're skinny as a rail. Better eat or you'll melt away.
Well, it does look delicious.
Stuart! Stuart! Meet Stuart. Man of the house.
You're pretty.
Thank you. So, Randy and I thought we'd take in the National Forest.
What time do you think you'll...
Are you married?
Not yet.
Gonna violate your woman in one of our upstairs rooms?
Stuart. Mind your own business. I'm sorry, sweetie. Some people never learn their manners.
I want her, Mom.
Oh, I know you do. Pete wants to get hit. Saps are bubbling.
Hey, buddy. She's out of your league. Lay off.
Thank you.
Let me get you some more ice
I'm
here.
not thirsty, really.
The ice is melting.
You're pretty. Can I marry you?
I'm taken.
She looks took. Every which way.
That's about enough.
No, I already have enough ice.
She doesn't want any more ice, okay?
No.
You should ask for permission before leaving the table, dear.
Stephanie!
They know
They know what?
about the accident.
How do they know about...
Because you told them.
I never told them anything!
I'm getting out of here, whether you're coming or not.
Did I say something wrong?
Stephanie.
Get inside.
What's going on?
What did you do?
Amy, what did we do?
You brought him.
Brought who?
Shh, he's coming.
Who's coming?
Hey, what are you doing?
Be quiet.
You know who this is?
Lady, what's out there? Give me the keys.
Lock all the doors.
Lady, who is out there?
If he gets in here, we're all as good as dead.
Okay, stop playing. You're just trying to scare us, right?
Namnit.
He's got himself on my porch.
What's he doing up there?
Trying to get in.
What is that?
Newspapers. It's a story about a missing couple. Officer Laudale and his wife were reported missing.
gonna kill us.
Their car was found on a deserted farmhouse off Highway 82.
We were on Highway 82.
Is this the farmhouse? Is this the farmhouse?
I expect it was.
Are you sure?
No, I'm fine.
Hey! What are we dealing with here? What?
Some folks call him the Tin Man. They say he only goes after the guilty.
She means us.
I'm only saying what some folks say.
There's something written on it.
Yeah. Okay. Welcome to my house. House rules. Rule number 1, God came into my house and I killed him. Rule number 2, I will kill anyone who comes into my house like I killed God. Rule number 3, give me one dead body before sunrise and I'll let rule number 2 slide.
No, no.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay, Steph. This is probably just some kind of sick prank, right?
Some prank.
He's not playing. He was shooting at us.
Can he get in from up there?
Not as Stewart bolted the upstairs windows. The attic sealed up good.
Where do you keep your guns? Where do you keep your guns?
Stewart keeps some hunting rifles. Basement.
Show me where. Show me where the basement is.
Randy, just stay calm. If he is locked out, maybe we can just wait him out.
We saw a cop on the highway. Maybe he'll see our cars and he might come and find us.
I'm not waiting on maybes and mights. Where's the basement, old lady?
Randy! Jack's right. We can't panic. If this really is a game, we have to stick together and figure it out.
You listen to them? You don't even want to know what they called you. You got any more guns down there?
Yep. But by my reckoning, we only need one.
Yeah, well, I'm getting one.
I said we only need one!
Easy, man.
Now you back up!
Easy.
Back up, please, big shot!
Now,
You back in there!
What are you doing, man? Hey! Hey, easy.
He was just trying to protect us.
What's Tin Man want this time?
one dead body before sunrise.
Well, let's give Mr. Big Shot here. Hey! Here,
Hey, easy.
Cut it out. What are you doing?
Look at him. He's as frightened as a jackrabbit. Hey!
Betty, please tell Stewart to stop.
Stewart, better hold up. 'Cause if you shoot one of them, we'd have to kill them all.
Let's put him in the meat locker. Not as quick, but it'll do the job.
Can't be serious.
Move!
Come on, get in there. You too, girlie.
Hey!
Why are you doing this? We haven't done anything!
You brought trouble. You brought it here like a dog carrying flea.
Sorriest bunch of sinners I ever seed.
You're not gonna leave us in here.
We'll come and get you. Maybe in a week or two. I had to finish you off right now, Randy boy.
Randy boy. She was nothing. You're such a little girl.
You ain't nothing.
Randy, grab the axe!
Deputy, get out of here! Steph, go! Go!
You're all as good as dead!
There are guns downstairs. Let's go. Come on.
We can't forget the girls.
Guns first, then the girls. Come on. Second, did you hear that? Yeah, they're busting out. Let's go. This way. These freaks worship the devil.
Oh, God, it's black magic.
Hey, it's a tunnel. Door's locked. Find me something to bust through.
There's no reflection.
Yeah, it's a trick mirror.
No, it's not. There's something wrong with this place, man. I'm going back for Stephanie.
Hey, that freak still got a shell on his gun! Jack?
You gonna let him in?
Not yet.
The door to the south passage is open.
Check it. Check it.
Show me.
Mommy?
Eat your pie, sweetie. I bought it special for you. You're a good girl. It's our little secret. That's a good girl. There's more.
Busy Jack. Busy Jack.
Daddy, will you come skate with me? Daddy?
Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. Daddy's in the middle of something, but Mommy will take you.
Please, Daddy. Mommy's always too busy.
Stop typing. Well, it's her turn.
Daddy, please.
Steph, Melissa wants to go outside. Can you take her?
Just a second. I'm on a call.
No!
Melissa! Melissa!
Oh, I know.
Daddy?
Melissa?
Melissa?
Hey. Look, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna hurt you. My name is Jack. What's yours?
Susan.
Hi, Susan.
Melissa's okay.
What did you say?
You were calling for her.
It's okay. It's just a fuse.
It's him. He likes the dark.
Who?
Tin Man. We have to keep moving or he'll find us. Come on.
How'd you get down?
Shh. He's close. He'll hear you.
Dad?
Randy boy, do like I taught you.
Oh, baby.
Randy, look, son, there he is. Boy, shoot it! Go on! You pathetic little wimp! You're like a little girl! What's wrong with you, boy? What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry.
You look
at me on fucking boy!
Feel like I taught you.
Come on now.
You're forgetting the game, boy.
I'm not forgetting anything!
Losing your father made you strong. Listen to me. Jack will kill you if you don't kill him first.
Ron, those shots came from back there. Come on.
No, we can't go back.
No. Look, Susan. You can trust me, okay? All right. Come on.
Don't you like moss pie? Don't you like my room? I made it specially for you, just the way I knows you'd like it.
I don't like it, Pete. I'm sorry, Pete.
Do you like me?
Well, I don't know you, Pete. Petey. I mean, I did have an uncle named Pete. But, I don't talk to him anymore.
I want to marry you.
You don't know me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Pete. So you and Stuart and Betty, you're all family?
Ma killed a man once, just like
No.
you did.
No.
Temptation's the worst sin of all. Twisting folks' minds to get them to do what you want. Sleeping in their beds.
I used my life experience to help people, you pig. I took what you did to me and it made me strong. I'm glad you're dead. I should have killed you sooner.
Wait. Did you hear that?
Stephanie?
No.
Stop!
Jack, be careful. You'll get lost. Or worse. Jack, that way leads to where he is.
You are temptation.
No, I'm not. Leave me alone.
Say it. Say you're guilty.
Jack, you don't have much time left.
Guilty.
Say it. You're so pretty.
You're pretty.
Yeah, temptation. Say
is she?
Susan, I found her hiding in the laundry room.
What if she's one of them?
No, she's not. She was hiding from 10 Nights.
Jack. Betty seemed okay at first.
You think I'm bad, Jack?
No. No, I don't, Susan.
Look out!
I see you found her. A little loudmouth. Thinks she knows the way out.
Leave her alone! Get out of here! Get out!
Come on!
2 hours till sunrise, Randy boy.
A new coat and new mittens. Mommy?
Where's Susan?
I tried to keep my Uncle Pete away at night. I did. I tried to push my bed against the door. I'm sorry I killed him.
We should probably go find the others. Right?
Jack will kill you unless you kill him first.
Are you Randy boy?
Ah! We ain't nothing now, huh?
You were right, they do know things about us. I just saw my daughter drown while Stephanie was on the phone with her agent.
Jack, you two went through therapy, right?
Yeah, tons. It didn't fix us.
You okay?
I fell through. I thought I was dead. I saw Melissa,
Who's Melissa?
my daughter. She's dead.
She's he's not the only one. I blew away that lunatic Stewart. We don't have to worry about him anymore.
Where's Jack?
Coward ran off.
Hey, I know that door. It's a way out. Come on.
One dead body before sunrise, and I'll let rule number 2 slide.
I've been in counseling since I was 13. Maybe they got a hold of our case files. At least it's a rational explanation for this.
Rational? You saw what came out of that woman's head. There's nothing rational about this place, Leslie.
This place is hot as hell.
It's because we're in the boiler room.
Jacket, you tramp!
Give it back! Man, what's wrong with you? You saw us in there!
It looks like you found a gun. Then all we gotta do now is find a way out of here then, right?
No, I found a way out. One dead body before dawn. What's going on here?
Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but that's not me. No, Randy, don't listen to him. He's trying to play you, man. Put the gun down and we'll talk. Shoot him! Randy, put the gun down. No!
Wait!
No, you gotta kill him, Randy.
Wait! Jack, is that you?
No, that's not him, Stephanie. Can't you see that?
If you're real, look at your hand. How come you're leaking smoke? You see? He's just like Betty Stewart and Pete.
No, it's impossible. This isn't happening. Steph, this isn't real. Look, ask me anything. Ask me anything. Ask me about the cabin. I remember the cabin. And Melissa, I remember Melissa. Remember when we bought skates for her birthday?
Melissa's here. I've seen her. She's punishing me. I saw her, Jack.
Shh. It's because you killed her, Steph. You killed our daughter.
Shut up!
You should kill her, Jack.
No, I never could, no.
Kill them, Randy. Kill them both. Randy, evil leaks black smoke, right? No, Randy, don't listen to him. He's lying. Here, I can prove that I'm real. There, you see? That settles it. Kill them, Randy.
He's leaking smoke too.
Kill them both!
They both are. Shoot him, Randy! Shoot
He's
him!
evil, Randy! You're trying to trick me!
This is impossible.
Shoot him! Shoot him!
You're both
Shoot
liars!
him! Kill him,
You're
Randy!
both
Kill
evil!
them both! Shoot him!
You're evil!
Randy, put the gun down!
You're both trying to trick me! I'm gonna kill you both!
He's wearing you out. He's making murderers out of all of you. He's using the house against you.
Steph, this is Susan. Thank God.
He's coming. Hurry, we have to leave or else something terrible will happen. Please, listen to me.
Hey, who's down there? I'm an officer of the law.
The police!
Go! Come on!
Get us out of here before they kill us!
You're going straight to hell!
Get out of here! Go!
Who was that?
Door's locked! How did you get in?
I came to the garage!
Let's go! Let's go! This way! Come on! Get out of here!
Jack! Come on. I've seen this truck before. At the wreck.
Steph, come on!
Open the door!
Got it! Randy, be careful.
You killed Tin Man.
He's still moving. You girls okay?
Yeah. He's chained up.
Hey! Why is he chained?
The cut from the wall. With the missing wife.
Lodell.
He was shooting at you.
You were on the bridge with Betty and Stuart. You set us up.
Who are you?
Get back inside! God came to my house and I killed him. I will kill anyone who comes into my house like I killed God. Give me one dead body before sunrise, and you walk. You're thinking, if I had only driven on to Montgomery, could one more lousy counseling session have been so bad? There's almost nothing about Mr. Pig that you like.
Please let me go.
You're only with him for the money. You all belong to this house as much as they do.
You're all as guilty
This house is a manifestation of your own coronavirus. You're all guilty of sin. Are you willing to do what it takes to walk your mortal soul out that front door for a lifelong reset? 3 minutes before sunrise. One dead body.
Lauderdale played your game, and you didn't let him walk.
Mrs. Lauderdale survived for 2 minutes after sunrise. Don't make the same mistake. Finish my game!
He's a liar! He breaks his own rules. You don't have to listen to him.
You were not invited.
Jack, trust me.
Don't listen to her. You listen to me.
Light destroys darkness.
What light?
There is no light.
What light are you talking about? What light, Susan? What light? No. No. No! Leave her alone! No!
This is my house.
I'm the one he wants.
Kill her! Finish it! Kill it!
Kill her. Kill the girl. You don't have to listen to him. His rules mean nothing.
Do you have what it takes? Randy boy. Randy boy.
No, Randy, don't! No! Stephanie, you gotta get loose!
Terry, belong to him. Jack. Jack, just listen to me. I know you're waiting for Melissa's death. I'm by myself.
Steph, that doesn't matter right now.
Just listen to me. I saw the truth tonight. I saw who I really was. If anybody has to die to set us free, just let it be me. It's okay.
No.
It's okay.
No!
Kill the girl, Randy.
Kill her!
Yeah. It's the only way out. You have to kill her, Randy. Randy. Kill her! Kill her!
No!
I'm pure evil. 100%.
I want to marry you.
No! No! You stay away from me. Don't touch me. No! Someone has to die.
You're right.
you?
Melissa. I'm not Melissa. But she's safe, and she loves you.
You are not invited. This is my house.
Susie.
This wasn't here before. Excuse me, officer, down the road, there's a house back there.
It looks like the Mustang blew a tire and sideswiped the Beamer.
You left your lights on.
Then it flipped.
Wait, that's not what happened.
Crushed the door shut. Now here's the sad part.
I don't think we're the only lucky ones either.
The occupants were probably alive when the gas tank ignited.
Man, that's really bad.
We ID'd the driver, a businessman from Tuscaloosa. Owned some hotels outside of Birmingham. Gal was his girlfriend. We got 2 more bodies back here.
Jack, look.
Steph.
Hey,
Steph.
Steph. Hey, get away from her! Steph.
We were in a house. An awful house.
No, but we got out.
She saved us. She said Melissa was safe. And she loves me.
I love you.
Feels like you're miles from here in other towns with lesser names where the unruly ghost doesn't tell Mary or William exactly what they want to. You